Exclusive daily tips from our betting experts at the allnewracinguk.com.
JC Gordon now just pushing along high end on the corner. Top of the home runner. Hyperloop with the lead. Now pressed on the outside by Subhan. High end is trying to muster an effort in behind, but is racing quite green. To the outside, Ancient Foe looks to play late on. Hyperloop with the lead. High end's now responding to urgings. Ancient Foe racing down the outside, then Subhan. It's Hyperloop from High end. High end is trying to get there and just did. High end right on the line from Hyperloop.
Gustav KLIMT a little bit short of room. Gustav KLIMT the favourite. He's got to have to do it the hard way now as Nebo leads them. On the climb for home, Etterfark running a blinder. Finiston Farm, the near side Bullington Bandit challenging in company with Savam. Gustav KLIMT the far side. They've got a furlong to go. They're spread far and wide here in the superlative. Nebo with Gustav KLIMT sprinting. Great perspective from the back of the field. Gustav KLIMT, is he going to pull it out of the bag? It's going to just be Gustav KLIMT. What a tremendous display after that mishap.
It's a rough race as Lord Yates drops away. He causes interference. Wild Hacks in the centre is produced. Archvillain Spotted Jacket here towards the near side is Winning Story. Magic Circle and Fly Me to the Stars are getting into it on the far side. There's a furlong and a half left to go in the Ebor, and Fly Me to the Stars has come sweeping through with Nikita. These two move on together. Nikita on the near side. Fly Me to the Stars on the far side. Heads up, heads down in the Ebor. Nikita and Fly Me to the Stars, and a tremendous finish.
As they head now inside their final two, it is Zui Feng over Highland Kalori, then chases Yufton. Right over to the extreme right is the former winner Gabriel, who's picking up late in the piece, and then Eddystone Rock and Bravery. Down they come to the final furlong, and oh, this is us coming through powerfully here under Ryan Moore once again. Challenged far side by Gabriel and also Bravery. Donica is finishing off really well towards the stand side. They're into the final 50 yards. Bravery, the far side, has just about got his head in front and lands to Lincoln.
Exclusive daily tips from our betting experts at the allnewracinguk.com.